Hi guys, we're using this Vanity light for reviewing purposes. I think it's really nice. It has the installation manual and this is how the lamp looks. So let's take it out of the box. It comes with anything you need to install, all the pieces, nuts, screw, everything. Here's the main unit. Okay. It has this vintage design, which I think it's really nice. These are the light fixtures, as you can see. They also have the vintage design, which I think it's really nice. It's for 3 light bulbs. Here's the other one. So let's go ahead and start installing it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it looks really nice. As I've said, it has this vintage design which I find really nice, and it's perfect to have it in your bathroom to be, well, making your hair, anything you need to do in the morning, and have a nice illumination above you. I think it's a nice option, and wherever you place it, I think it will do an amazing job. It's really easy to install. As you could see, it didn't take that long to install it, and well, it's really beautiful. All the materials feels of a really nice quality, and overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys.